Honestly, this has been the most amazing experience for me. It saved me a lot of time and money. When I say you get more bang for your buck, it's just amazing.
Was there a specific feature, Natina, or features that you felt were like a game changer for your event?
Honestly, I want to talk about from my perspective as the event producer and director, and the fact that I'm building the app, I'm building the tool that we're using, the user friendly interface, the AI and other, modern technology that's behind it made it so easy and seamless for me to really, I would say I stood up this the app maybe in 2 days. And I'll say 2 days because I had to reach out for help, with clarifying some things. And that is the most important feature. And really is about the company itself is the customer service. So I did not have to wait long. I got an answer. I got literally like screenshots on steps, to do. And I was able to do this. So the fact that there is templates in here for your emails, there's templates in here for the badge. It's a template for everything already built in. It is the most sophisticated event platform I've ever used.
What would you say was the attendee experience like? Did you get any feedback on the technology, on just the overall event?
Yes. So no, I'm constantly getting feedback from this group, and I have another event I'm using Eventify for as well with the same planning team, and they're just blown away. And as for the attendees, everyone just is blown away. Honestly, is the fact that you can set meetings with people without needing moderation, and there is a news feed and communication feed, and people are engaging in the app in a way that is just not something that you would normally have.
If there's one thing you could tell probably other event managers about Eventify, what would that be?
Just do it. Just switch over, right? Like no. So I am honest. I am a big techie. I'm into tech. I teach, others about AI and tech. And this is just this has been the most amazing experience for me because it saved me a lot of time and money because the investment it's a modest investment into being able to have more than one event with the app when I say you get more bang for your buck, it's just amazing. And not only that is the fact that the price, like you make one investment and I make my money off of that on one event, right? Just because I'm being paid for the event. And so now I get to use this tool over and over for different events. And my event host, they're happy. The fact that they're only paying $1 per person and it's a flat rate and there's no fees involved. So I'm saving them money too. So that's where you're able to sell yourself and your services, your business and services easier by bringing Eventify to the table.